Number 1. Dembele Motorhome. The Dembele Motorhome is like a luxury mansion on wheels. Inspired by yacht design, it combines elegance, comfort, and high-end technology. The interior features Italian leather sofas, heated floors, a king-size bed, and a spa-like bathroom. It even includes a garage to carry your sports car, such as a Ferrari or Porsche. The kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances, and the smart home system lets you control everything with a tablet. The ride is smooth thanks to its advanced air suspension, and the panoramic windows provide breathtaking views while offering complete privacy. Dembele isn't just a motorhome, it's a symbol of wealth and elite travel, perfect for those who want to live lavishly on the road. Number 2. Volkner Performance S. Volkner Performance S is a masterpiece of German engineering and luxury. Its standout feature is a central garage that slides out to reveal your sports car, literally stored under the living area. The interior is like a 5-star suite, with handcrafted furniture, smart controls, and luxury materials throughout. Everything from the bathroom to the entertainment system is built with attention to detail. You'll find a full kitchen, an elegant lounge, and a deluxe bedroom. The build quality is unmatched, and the vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art insulation and stabilizers, making it suitable for all climates. This motorhome is for those who want absolute class and function in one. Number 3. STX2 Pop-Outs Garage. The STX2 Pop-Outs Garage is where luxury meets smart space management. It features expanding walls, pop-outs, that significantly increase the interior space. There's even a built-in garage for your car or bikes. Inside, the design is sleek and modern, with premium finishes and a spacious layout. The bedroom features high-end bedding, and the kitchen is equipped with professional-grade appliances. Large windows flood the motorhome with natural light, while smart lighting creates a cozy atmosphere at night. It's an excellent option for long-distance luxury travelers who want comfort and practicality. Number 4. HiMerVision Venture. The HiMerVision Venture is a futuristic motorhome concept that redefines travel. Designed for adventurous couples, this camper van transforms into a full modern apartment. It features an inflatable roof for extra headroom and ventilation, a back wall that opens into a mini balcony, and eco-friendly interior materials. The lighting is smart, the temperature adjusts automatically, and the solar panels support off-grid adventures. Compact yet incredibly luxurious, it's perfect for digital nomads or eco-conscious travelers looking for a stylish and efficient ride. Number 5. eleMMent Palazzo. The eleMMent Palazzo is unlike anything on the road. With a space shuttle-inspired exterior and a royal palace interior, it's the epitome of futuristic luxury. The highlight is its sky lounge that elevates from the roof, offering an open-air terrace experience. Inside, you'll find a grand lounge, gourmet kitchen, luxury bath, and a spacious master bedroom. Even the cockpit looks like an aircraft with a panoramic windshield. Every inch screams opulence, making it the dream vehicle for billionaires and luxury enthusiasts alike. Number 6. Thor Vision Vehicle. The Thor Vision Vehicle is a next-generation electric motorhome built for the future. It's powered by clean energy and loaded with smart technology. Solar charging, lithium battery systems, and AI-driven controls make it highly efficient and eco-friendly. Inside, the design is minimalist and functional, with convertible furniture, modular spaces, and touchscreen systems. This motorhome is ideal for modern explorers who want smart living, sustainability, and style in one ultimate road companion. Number 7. RC12M. The RC12M is a luxury off-road motorhome built for extreme conditions. It's designed to conquer rugged terrains without sacrificing comfort. Equipped with an all-terrain suspension system and a rugged body, it handles deserts, mountains, and snow with ease. Inside, you'll find a cozy lounge, a tech-loaded kitchen, premium sleeping areas, and even a water purification system. Solar power and a massive fuel tank allow for extended off-grid journeys. It's a true companion for hardcore adventurers who crave the wild without letting go of luxury. Number 8. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a mobile two-story hotel designed for surf lovers and road trippers. Downstairs features a chill lounge and kitchen, while upstairs hosts private bedrooms with ocean views. It comes with an outdoor terrace, modern interiors, and flexible sleeping arrangements. Built for beach lovers, digital nomads, and adventure groups, it provides a hotel-like experience while letting you travel from coast to coast. Stylish, youthful, and smartly designed, it brings hospitality to the highway. Number 9. Rioja Bespoke Projects. Rioja Bespoke Projects delivers tailor-made motorhomes crafted with precision and elegance. Each vehicle is built according to the client's personal taste, with interiors that include handcrafted wood, soft leather, and unique layouts. The attention to detail is outstanding, featuring designer lighting, full kitchens, spa-style bathrooms, and custom entertainment systems. These motorhomes offer a private, luxurious, and artistic experience, ideal for people who want their motorhome to be a true extension of their personality. Number 10. Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 is a VIP class motorhome used by celebrities, athletes, and high-profile travelers. It features a private office, a master bedroom, and a lounge that feels like a high-end hotel suite. Leather recliners, large LED displays, ambient lighting, and top-grade sound systems create a first-class environment on the road. Its sleek, polished exterior hides a world of comfort and privacy inside. Ideal for touring artists and business elites, this motorhome turns travel time into luxury downtime. Number 11. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is one of the most luxurious and futuristic RVs ever created. Its standout feature? A rooftop helipad with an actual helicopter. Inside, it's like a luxury condo, complete with a hot tub, fireplace, master bedroom, 75-inch smart TV, and high-tech kitchen. Smart glass walls provide panoramic views, and the smart home integration controls everything from lighting to climate. It's a marvel of innovation and luxury, designed for those who dream beyond limits. Number 12. SLRV Commander 8x8, two-story. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a double-decker expedition vehicle with military-grade toughness and home-like comfort. With 8-wheel drive, it can go almost anywhere on Earth. The lower level houses a kitchen, bathroom, lounge, and bedroom, while the upper level features a sunroom and optional gym or extra sleeping space. It's powered by solar and equipped with water filtration, long-range fuel tanks, and armored construction. Built for serious explorers, it's the ultimate off-grid fortress on wheels.